Good morning. I'm Jeff Garner of Jeff Garner Digital Marketing. I just wanted to talk about a topic that I see a lot of small businesses get involved in, and it's really not a great practice, and I wanted to share my perspective on that. And it's on Gmail. A lot of people, when they're starting out with a new small company, will begin to use a Gmail account for primary communications, all their email, their calendar, and a variety of things like that. That may be great and easy in the beginning because it's free. But the problem is as your business grows, you get so wrapped into that, it makes it hard to get away from Gmail. But the other thing is that what you're sacrificing is you're not building your own brand. You're not building, as an example, my email is jeff@jeffgarner.com. The website is jeffgarner.com. If I were using Gmail, I would not be building anything related, any brand value related to the Jeff Garner name. So that's what I wanted to share is, if anyone has a need or if they are using Gmail and they'd like to learn a little bit more and how easy it is to switch from Gmail to a different service, GoDaddy has a great value bundle for email and a variety of things that you can handle your email. You can do Teams, you can do calendar, you can do a variety of things. And of course, it would be available on your phone, your desktop, laptop, whatever you want. And it's so extremely easy. But you can always check out jeffgarner.com or give me a call at 407-437-4664. And I would love to talk to you and explain how easy it is to get away from Gmail before you're so locked in that you're losing the brand value, the brand equity for your customers. And that's one of the most important things that you need to do is to build on your name so people recognize you and they know what you stand for as an organization. Thanks again and have a wonderful day.